Welcome to C# programming for beginner class. This is my 16th video, and in this video I will talk about increment and decrement. So in last video we talked about increment and decrement, how we use that and what is increment and decrement. In this video we will talk a little further about increment and decrement. So as we told in the last video, that increment is used for increasing the value of any variable by 1, and decrement is used for decreasing the value. So we have two types of increment and decrement. One is post increment and decrement, and another is pre increment and decrement. Post increment is at first display or execute the expressions and then increase or decrease the value. And how we can do that? We can do that by variable name followed by double symbol of plus plus for increment for post increment, and variable name followed by double minus symbol for post decrement. In pre-increment and decrement, it first increase or decrease the value and then display the value or execute the expressions. And how we can do that? We can do that by double symbol of plus and followed by the name of variable for the pre-increment, and double symbol of minus and followed by the variable name for pre-decrement. So let's see how we can do that in our programming. Let's come to the Visual Studio. So I will declare a variable first, integer x is equal to 10. So as we told that post increment, it first display the value or it first execute the expression and then display the value. So let's see how we can do that. Console dot write line in x plus plus. It means display the x value, and after that plus plus mean add one value to the x value. So that's post increment, and let's display the value. You can see the value is still 10, but after that if we display the x value again, dot write and display the x value, now the value will be 11. You can see the next value is 11 because it's a post increment, and we told that post increment is it first display the value and after that it increment the value of variable. So it first this is the post increment, and we can do that for decrement too. For example, we write the variable name and followed by double minus. And first let me show the decrement value. You can see the value is still 10 because it's a post decrement, and it first show the value of x and after that it decrement the value. So let's me again display the value of x. Console dot write and show me the x value. Now the value will be 9. You can see the next value is 9 because it's post decrement, and it first display the value and after that decrease the value. So what's pre-increment? As we told that pre-increment or decrement, it first increase or decrease the value and after that it display. So let's show how we can do that. As we told that we can do that by double plus followed by variable name. So what it means that add 1 to the x value and after that display the x value. So let's run the program. You can see the value is 11 because it's pre increment, and it first increase the value. It first increase the value and after that it display the value. And we can do that for the decrement too. And we can do that by double minus symbol and after that followed by variable name, and you can see the value is 9. Like and share the video, and if you have any question you can comment below in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.